What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel with Exhausted. So today I'm joined with Aaron from Car Obsession.
Hello!
And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a roll bar onto Aaron's MX5, which made a gracious return recently on his channel, so be sure to go check that out. But yeah, we're going to be installing the roll bar and doing another couple of bits and pieces, which will be in a following video. So without no further ado, guys, let's get to the install and get this car track ready. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to basically be stripping down the interior. So we're going to take away this windbreaker and some of the carpet and everything, so we can get to the chassis of the car to hard mount the roll bar into the car. So there's two Phillips head screws on either side for the windbreaker and various interior clips to take out the carpet all the way around, which we're going to be using my legendary modified fork for. So let's get into a time lapse of us taking this all apart. So this is Aaron's roll bar, which is really nice. Unlike mine, it actually comes with a harness bar, so you can attach your harnesses directly to them. You also need to have one separately, which is really nice feature to have with a roll bar. It looks really nice, made by a company called TR Lane, so locally sourced as well from the UK, helping local businesses, so big thumbs up for that. So now we're going to test fit this into the car. So we're basically going to drop it in without any of the holes or anything like that, and basically see if we need to relocate any of the wires in this area, and you know, just see exactly where it's going to sit, and then yeah, we'll be good to install it. So what we've done in here is we've basically loosened these wires from the chassis of the car, so we've got some leverage to put the roll bar and fit it around them. So me and Aaron are going to go and try to get that onto the chassis of the car again now.
Yeah, let's do this.
So the problem we're having is the roll bar is getting caught on this bit here. So what we're going to have to do is cut along here about an inch from where the bend is, and then cut this vertical bit, cut that away, and then the roll bar will slot perfectly into place. So we're going to be using an angle grinder. Now do not do this at home, because I haven't brought my safety goggles, so you really shouldn't do this without safety goggles, but we're going to have to since it's all we've got. But yeah, if you're going to do this at home, make sure you wear the required safety equipment. So as you guys can probably see, we've cut that section away now, and we've exposed all that. So now the roll bar should hopefully slot into there nicely. We're going to have to do a little bit of fiddling with the wires just to get it around the bases of the roll bar, so they're all still in the right location. But now it will theoretically go in. Success! We've finally got the roll bar into position, thanks to Aaron, who's been helping a lot and is learning a lot as he goes.
I am.
So now we're just bolting the seatbelt bits back in just to hold it in the correct position before we drill the holes to mount it to the chassis also. So now we're just whipping wheels off so we can get to the holes we've drilled and we can bolt in the roll bar. Okay, it does look too bad actually. I feel like I'm in F1 and I think I'm a bit too slow for them.
Still faster than me, right?
Feel like tread. So guys, after hours and hours of getting this roll bar in, we've come up against 101 challenges along the way, but it is finally attached to the car and it feels really solid, it's very structural.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put the wheels back on, lower it down and give the car a nice shake to make sure the roll bar isn't moving, and then we're ready to put all the interior trims back in, and I think a beer is perfectly justified after all that, especially it's your
Just
birthday.
one?
Maybe a couple, I think.
Okay, maybe a cheeky couple.
It's Aaron's birthday as well, so comment down below. It's going to be a bit late by the time you see this, but you know, better late than never, right?
It's a fault that counts.
So guys, as you can see, Aaron's roll bar is in his MX5.
Finally!
And
finally!
It did take us a lot longer than expected. It ran into so many issues. Like first I thought it was hitting on the part of the like reinforcement that holds in the parcel shelf. Then it was like hitting on bolts, wires, the lot pretty much.
Yeah.
It's finally in. As you can see, it's not going anywhere.
Sound as a pound.
That's right. So guys, that's all for today's video. By this time you've probably already seen our failed exhaust installation on the MX5, which was an absolute nightmare, but we finally got this one in despite all the troubles today. But yeah, be sure to go over and subscribe to Aaron's channel. It will really help him out, and also make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest content. Also, if you enjoy the video, if you smash a massive thumbs up button, that would mean the absolute world to me. And until the next one guys, adios.